Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mac model supports Mojave and creating a current time machine backup because you want a rollback option. Once that backup finishes, free at least 20 GB and plug into power. Next, download the Mojave installer from the App Store or prepare a bootable USB. This lets you control installation timing. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable. Unstable networking can interrupt downloads. Now, reboot into the installer or run the app to begin the upgrade process. Follow on-screen prompts to continue. During installation, the Setup Assistant guides you through account creation and iCloud sign-in. You should sign in to sync photos and passwords. Once past basics, decide on apps conversion. Apps improves SSD performance, while older Fusion systems may stay HFS+. Next, configure system preferences. Enable dark mode and stacks to reduce clutter, and tune Safari privacy features to prevent cross-site tracking. Also open Security and Privacy to enable File Vault and set app permissions. These steps finish by running software update immediately to install security patches and App Store updates. Then reinstall or restore essential apps and files from your backup or migration assistant. Make sure Time Machine is scheduled and test iCloud Sync. If you encounter startup hangs or hardware oddities, reset nvram/pram and try safe mode to isolate login items. If problems persist, boot into recovery and reinstall Mojave. This preserves your data while replacing system files. Remember, a solid backup is the fastest way to recover from any installation problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.